guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Chris. Today I'm adding another video to the 7 Looks 1 palette, except this time I'm doing it with a palette that's, yeah. I don't want to say the name of this palette because I do have a lot of little ones who watch this, so I'm going to cover the last two, but this is the palette. If you know what this palette is, then obviously you know. In case you haven't seen the inside, this is what it looks like. It is a neutral palette, which honestly would be great for like MUAs and things like that. Now, there are plenty of other palettes that give you all neutrals and things like that. So if you're not a fan of Jeffree Star, honestly, this is not a big deal for you. But if you do like Jeffree Star formula and you want to dab into some neutrals, I definitely played with a lot of different shadows from this palette and I had no issues whatsoever. So there's a giveaway on this video, and it's for the big palettes and also for the mini palette. God, it's really hard to show this without showing. Oh goodness, I'm so sorry. If you have little ones, maybe this is not the video to show them, but it's the mini, which has the shimmers, and of course the big one. I'm gonna put this right back in the box. But anyways, the rules are super duper simple. Of course, you have to be subscribed to my channel, like this video, comment down below your favorite look or looks, and a way I can reach you just in case you win. The next 5 videos, of course, will have bonus entries as well. That is optional. You do not have to participate in those. And that's about it. On my lips, I am wearing the Selena Gomez Rare Beauty Lippy, and this one is in Courage. This is my favorite lip formula currently, other than gloss, because you guys know I love gloss. Speaking of gloss, I did pick up Pretzel Drip from the collection. It looks like this. I am wearing it on top of that, and it's comfortable. His formula is really good when it comes to glosses. So because I am dealing with the all matte palette, I did use a highlighter from ColourPop. This is kind of old. I don't even know if they still sell this one, but it looks like this, in case you're wondering. I just put that for every single highlight today. It's on my cheeks right now. This is the go-to one. I'm using the Marc Jacobs mascara. For my line, I'm using the OMFG Cosmetics Immortal Pen one. I'm really growing fond of this one. And for lashes today, I'm just using one pair, and it's from the Case Beauty. This is the one in Sexy, I believe. Okay, guys, so let's just dive into the 7 looks that I created with this palette. Okay, well that's it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know which one was your favorite look down below. I feel like I'm really starting to enjoy this series on my channel because I really pushed myself to kind of get out my comfort zone and try different things, different styles and things like that. So I hope to catch you guys on the next one. Bye.